Hai, Assalamualaikum Zakwan.
You.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone.
Teacher,
Yes,
tengok ni.
Apa
the
benda
young
tu?
scientist.
Saya beli buku.
Oh, baguslah. Dah habis baca?
Belum. Saya baru nak baca satu.
Oh, you
Ada
want to
banyak
be a
buku.
scientist?
Tak, saya nak jadi angkat.
Okay. Betul.
Tadi dia beli buku ni.
Okay,
Kawan kan tahu Sai.
good.
Ni buku ni daripada 2019.
Buku ada kat dalam.
Banyak. Dalam ni ada banyak.
Ada.
Oh, banyak. Baru beli
Ha.
Belum start baca
Semalam.
lagi? Oh, baru semalam.
Tadi masa breakfast, lepas tu saya baca buku ni.
Okay, good. So
Nah, ni
next
dalam
time you
dia ada
can share with
exercise.
your friends. Nanti dah habis baca, next you can share with your friends. Okay?
Dalam dia ada exercise. Bukan buku je ada exercise.
Oh, okay, good.
Dia apa pecah macam ni? Pecah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, wait. I still want to admit your friends.
Penting untuk form yang bagi kita minyak. Minyak datang daripada tanah.
Teacher kelas ni subjek apa?
Okay. I will introduce you. Me is teacher Yusra. Okay, maybe some of you first time see me in your Zooming class. Okay, teacher will teach you science subject. Okay, this is just temporary. After you come back to school, teacher Hidayah will teach you science. But before you go to school, this time I will teach you science subject. Okay, teacher akan ajar subject science. Okay, all of you know my name?
Yes, Teacher Yusra.
Okay, my name is teacher Yusra. Okay, I will teach you science subject. Teacher akan ajar awak subject science. Teacher Hidayah ajar awak apa?
English.
Yes, teacher Hidayah will teach you English.
Ajar English.
This is just temporary, sementara je. Lepas awak pergi sekolah nanti, okay, your teacher Hidayah will teach you science.
Dah nak sekolah dah lagi.
Dah nak sekolah dah.
Berapa minggu lebih lagi.
Okay, you will
Macam
come
2 minggu
to
lebih
school
satu minggu.
on 22 July, 22nd July. Okay, I hope I can start now.
Lagi 2 minggu lebih.
Yes, lagi 2 minggu lebih je. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's recite doa together. 1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma qna alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina
علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا
Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Rabbi
Rabbi
shrah li
shrah
sadri
li
wa
sadri
yassir
wa
li
yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani
Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni
yafqahu
fahman.
ilman warzuqni fahman. Amalan salihah wa salihin. Amin.
Okay, last time we have learned about plant. Do you still remember plant? Kita ada belajar tumbuh-tumbuhan last time, last week. So do you still remember what is the basic need of plant? Who can tell me what is the basic need of plant? Siapa ingat? Kalau pokok nak tumbuh, dia kena ada apa?
Ada
Okay, very good. Ada air. Apa lagi kena ada untuk pokok tumbuh? What else? Can you give me the answer? So what is the basic need of plant? Untuk pokok tumbuh kena ada apa selain daripada air?
Seed.
Ha?
A seed. Sunlight.
Yes, very good. Sunlight. Siapa yang jawab sunlight tu? Zakwan. Okay, very good. Okay, for plant to grow, they must have They must have water. They must have sunlight. What should they have lagi? Oksigen. Dia nak bernafas. Dia nak buat dia nak bernafas, nak hidup. Yes.
Kita boleh repeat balik tak? Sebab tadi internet connection saya terputus.
Okay. What is the basic need of plant? Your friend said water, next sunlight. What else? Kena ada apa lagi?
Tempat dia.
Okay, kena ada dia punya space, tempat dia untuk tumbuh.
Space temperature.
Okay, and a suitable temperature. Tak semua pokok boleh tumbuh dekat tempat sejuk dan tak semua pokok boleh tumbuh dekat tempat yang panas. So plant must have their suitable temperature. Okay, Zakwan, listen. Zakwan, put down your torchlight. Listen.
Torchlight.
Okay, so there are a few basic needs of plant. Plant to grow, they must have water, must have oxygen, sunlight. Okay, mesti ada soil for them. Okay, soil will provide nutrient. Darwish tanam fertilizer. Darwish tanam pokok ke tu?
Tak, ini pokok palsu. Dia buat bagi
pokok palsu.
plastik.
Okay, next.
Dalam bilik saya.
Okay, next. Who can tell me why plant is very important to living things?
Untuk udara, air, oksigen.
Okay, oxygen. Plant can provide us oxygen. Okay, Arif Ashraf.
Food.
Arif Ashraf.
Protein fruit. Fruit.
Okay, can you tell me why plant is very important to living things?
Sebab untuk manusia.
Untuk apa?
Untuk manusia.
Okay. So I will do a little bit revision with you. I will share my whiteboard. So let's revise together. Okay.
Manusia hidup.
Okay, before that I have to mute you. Okay. Okay, now let me share my whiteboard. Okay. Sekejap suara siapa lagi teacher dengar ni? Teacher sudah unmute semua. Dah mute-kan semua. Okay, what is the basic need? Okay, basic need. Basic needs of plant. Okay, untuk plant ni tumbuh, they must have okay, for plants to grow, they must have air. Okay, they must have water, suitable temperature. Okay, remember, basic need of plant, they must have air, water, and also suitable temperature. And another one is sunlight. Kena ada sunlight. Kalau tidak, tak boleh lah pokok tu tumbuh. Pokok tu akan mati. Sunlight. Kalau one of these tak ada, kalau no air, pokok boleh hidup tak? Tak boleh, pokok akan mati. Kalau sunlight tak ada pun tak boleh. Tapi kalau ada semua ni, pokok akan tumbuh. Awak tanam kat mana-mana pun kalau cukup sunlight, if there is enough sunlight, air, water and also suitable temperature, the plant will grow. But if you do planting, you not give water, you not watering the planting, so the plant will die. They cannot live if there is not enough basic needs of plant. Okay, next, do you still remember? I hope you can remember these 4 basic needs of plant. Okay, remember they must have sunlight, air, water, and also suitable temperature. Certain plant, they will live at high temperature. Certain plant, they will live at low temperature. Contohnya macam pokok strawberry. Kalau awak tanam dekat rumah awak, strawberry tumbuh tak? Okey, tak tumbuh. Sebab apa? Strawberry kena tanam tempat yang sejuk. Same goes to apple. Okay, they cannot planting in Malaysia because Malaysia is not suitable with new temperature. Okay, that is about the basic need of plant. Okay, next. I hope you still remember the importance of plant. Why plant is very important to living things. Okay, the importance of plant. The importance of plant. Okay, why plant is very important? Okay, ada 4 things. Why plants are important? Okay, now I want to ask you. Teacher nak cari siapa boleh tolong teacher. Who can help me? Give me what is the importance of plant? Okay, I want to ask Fahim. Do you still remember Fahim? Last time we have do revision about plant. Why plant is very important to living things? Kenapa pokok ni penting? Pokok ni boleh bagi apa kat kita?
Oksigen.
Ha?
Oksigen.
Apa dia?
Oksigen. Dah. Oksigen, dengar tak?
Okay, oksigen. Very good. Teacher tak clear suara awak tadi. Okay, plant can supply us oxygen. Very good, Fahim. Thank you. Okay, next I want to ask Adib. Okay, why plants is very important to human or to living things? Plant boleh bagi apa selain oksigen? Plant boleh bagi apa lagi? Why pokok ni penting? Pokok boleh bagi kita apa selain daripada oksigen untuk bernafas? Okay, Aisyah Naira, you raise your hands. Yes, yes, Aisyah. Can you help Adib? Okay, thank you, Adib. Listen to your friends' answer. Where is Aisyah? Mana Aisyah? Okay. Okay, why important? Why plants is very important to living things?
Because it gives shade.
It give what?
Shade.
Yeah, I think you want to search about habitat, shelter, habitat,
Yes.
tempat tinggal. Okay, we use term habitat. Okay, ataupun shelter. So plant is very okay. Thank you, Aisha. So plant can give living things oxygen, habitat ataupun shelter. Okay, next. Yes, Iman Farisha. Okay, why plant is very important to human or to living things?
For medicine.
Okay, very good for medicine. Okay, last one. Thank you, Iman. Okay, last one. You can give me the answer. What is the importance of plant? Ada lagi satu. Okay, Muaz Jazli. Okay, Muaz Jazli, what is another one? Why plant is very important? Ada lagi satu. Hari-hari awak buat apa?
Tadi buat pokok, tadi
Plant can give us oxygen, habitat, tempat tinggal, medicine, and another one is? Hari-hari kita buat apa?
ada 5 kasturi.
Rumah kasturi untuk apa? Okay, the importance of plant, another one, plant can give us food. Kita boleh dapat makanan daripada pokok ni. Contoh kita makan hari-hari, kita makan nasi. Nasi tu daripada pokok. Kita makan buah-buahan, kita makan sayur-sayuran. So plant is very important because they will provide us food, medicine, habitat for animals and also oxygen. So I hope all of you can remember these 4 things why plant is very important. Okay, I hope you can remember this one. Next time I want to ask you again why plants is important. First, it can supply us oxygen. Oxygen ni kita guna untuk bernafas. Hari-hari kita bernafas kita guna oksigen. Boleh tak kalau awak duduk dalam tempat yang tertutup, duduk dalam box, no oxygen. So you cannot breathe. So oxygen is very important. So this oxygen is came from plant. And then plant also will provide habitat. Habitat ni tempat tinggal. Contohnya for animals, monkey, bird, they will stay at tree dalam jungle. So plant is very important. Okay, next. Plant also can provide medicine. Okay, for example, aloe vera. Kalau awak patahkan daun dia, dia akan keluar sejenis cecair liquid, lendir tu. So that's lendir we can use as medicine. Okay, untuk to treat Kalau tangan awak luka ke kena air panas, we can use that aloe vera. Okay, next. Plant is very important to provide us food. So hari-hari kita makan nasi. Nasi tu adalah daripada tumbuh-tumbuhan, pokok padi. Okay, paddy is from plant. So this is 4 things that why plants is very important. Okay, next. Before teacher proceed with activity books, teacher will do a little bit revision with you. Okay, next. You have learned about the plant's growth. Okay, the stages of plant growth. Apa stage untuk plant growth? You have learned that before. Okay. Okay, now we do revision about stages of plants growth. Stages of plant growth. Okay, macam mana step-step pokok ni tumbuh daripada nombor 1, nombor 2, macam mana dia jadi, lepas tu dia jadi apa. Okay, this is the stages of plant growth. Yang first kali, kalau kita nak tanam pokok, okay, let me show you. Okay, stages of plant growth. Okay, if we want to do planting, we will start from seed. Betul tak? We start from seed. Okay, first kali. Okay, this is teacher draw lah senang Okay. We will start from seed. Okay, ni contohnya seed. Okay, contohnya apa-apa seed lah. Kacang hijau ke, biji benih mango ke. Okay, this is seed. So, bila awak ambil seed, awak letak dalam tanah. Okay. After seed, what will happen to this seed? Okay, lepas seed, what will happen? Seed ni akan tumbuh tak? Yes, dia akan tumbuh. They will grow as a germination of seed. Seed ni akan tumbuh. Kita lukis lagi seed kat sini. Dia akan tumbuh akar. Okay. So this is what we call germination of seed. Okay, first tadi seed. Okay, this is the stages of plant growth. First kali seed. Okay, next the germination of seed. Maksudnya dia dah keluar akar. Germination of seed. Okay, next. Lepas dia dah keluar akar, what will happen to this seed? Okay, teacher buat arrow kat sini. Dia akan tumbuh as a young plant. Dia akan tumbuh pokok kecil, pokok muda. Okay, dia akan tumbuh pokok. Okay, they will grow as a young plant. Okay, and after germination of seed. Okay, they will grow as a young plant. Pokok yang muda, young plant. Okay, next. Okay, after young plant, they will produce flower. I think you have learned about this. So this one, we just do revision. Okay, pokok ni dia akan produce flower. Okay, ni pokok dia dah besar sikit, dia akan keluar flower. Flower. Let me draw flower here. Okay, they will produce flower. You will learn about the stages of plant growth. The plant will produce flower. After produce flower, this flower will become fruit. Flower will produce fruit. Okay, next. And showcase. Okay, this flower will become fruit. Nanti dia tumbuhlah pokok yang ada buah. So contohnya buah mango ke. Dia akan jadi pokok yang besar. Okay, this is the stages of plant growth. Okay. Okay, lepas produce fruit, dekat dalam fruit ni dia ada biji benih. So, dia akan rotate balik. From seed, dia akan jadi germination of seed, young plant, produce flower and also produce fruit. Okay. Okay, teacher nak revision je ni. Lepas ni kita nak jawab buku aktiviti Okay, as you can see, this is the stages of plant growth. Kalau kita tanam pokok, the plant that we want to grow, they will start from seed. Okay, ni seed ni, biji benih. So after seed, you left it a few days, they will come out a root. So this is what we call germination of seed. So after germination of seed, after a few weeks later, they will come out as a young plant. So pokok dia dah makin besar, young plant. So you leave it for a few months. Okay, maybe the plant will produce flower. Then lastly, the flower will produce fruit. So bila dah jadi buah, bila kita makan buah tu, kita boleh ambil seed dia balik. So this is the circulation of plant growth. The plant will grow start from seed, then germination of seed, then the plant will become young plant, and then they will produce flower and lastly produce fruit. Remember, before the plant produce fruit, they will produce flower. That's why kalau awak perasan, siapa kat rumah dia ada pokok mangga ke, pokok rambutan ke, if you can see rambutan tree or mango tree, before they produce fruit, they will produce flower. Jadi flower tu dia akan bertukar menjadi buah. So selalunya pokok yang berbuah, okay, pokok yang mempunyai buah, dia akan tumbuh bunga dulu. Okay, kalau tak percaya nanti kalau awak keluar, okay, kalau awak keluar, when you see mango tree or you can see you can see rambutan tree, you will see that the plant will produce flower. Dia akan keluar macam flower putih-putih tu, and then the flower will become fruit. Okay, remember this is the stages of plant growth. Ya, macam mana pokok tu boleh tumbuh daripada seed, it will become germination of seed. That means dia akan keluar akar sikit, and then they will become young plant. Lepas young plant, produce flower and also fruit. Okay, remember these 5 stage of plant growth. Yes, Shafizul, we learn about plant. Okay, just now I do revision why plants is very important and what is the basic need of plant. Okay, now teacher teach you the stages of plant growth. Okay, ada 5 stage, okay? After this, bila teacher tanya awak, I hope you can still remember these 5 stage. Ada 5 tangga ataupun 5 step macam mana pokok boleh tumbuh. Jadi after this, kalau awak tanam pokok, mesti awak tahu macam mana pokok tu tumbuh. Start daripada seed, betul? Kita tanam biji benih, lepas tu dia akan keluar akar. Yang keluar akar ni kita panggil germination of seed. Kemudian bila dah tumbuh akar, dia akan tumbuh pucuk, dia akan jadi young plant, pokok yang muda. Okay, selepas beberapa lama dia akan jadi bunga. So this flower, next they will become, they will produce fruit. Okay, this is the 5 stages of plant growth. Okay, I hope you can still remember these 5 stages of plant. Okay, I think we should proceed with activity books. Teacher harap teacher dah cukup buat revision. Now I want you to take your activity books. Okay, kita akan buat activity exercise inside activity books. Okay, take science activity books and open page 33, buka muka surat 33. Kini sama yang macam teacher ajar. Okay, I will stop share here and let me share the exercise book. Activity, okay, primary 2. Kalau dah rasa mengantuk, Muaz teacher nampak dah menguap tu. Tarik nafas dalam, breathe in. Tarik nafas, breathe in. Tahan, out. Breathe in, out. Kalau rasa mengantuk berdiri, stand up. If you feel sleepy, stand up. Okay everyone, if you feel sleepy, I want you to stand up and jump 3 times. Stand up and jump 3 times. And take a deep breath. Okay. Stand up. Kalau yang mengantuk, teacher nampak dia yang ngantuk. Okay, you can stand up, take a breath deep. And jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Dah. Jangan mengantuk lagi. Okay, look at to page 33. Okay, this exercise is about growth stages of plant. Okay, just now I teach you about the stages of plant growth. Okay, boleh minum air kalau mengantuk lagi. Drink a lot of water to supply you more oxygen. Okay, look at to this page. Okay, you can see here, this is the number of growth stages of plant in a correct sequence. Okay, dekat sini, this activity you have to cut, paste and write the growth stages of plant. Okay, kalau activity ni awak kena guna gunting. Okay, but now awak kena guna gunting, tapi sekarang ni teacher tak bagi awak guna gunting lagi. If you want to do this exercise, you wait for your parents, okay? So that your parent can see you cut the paper. Okay, you have to do under your parents' supervision, okay, to cut this picture. Okay, but now it's okay, you just write the growth stages of plant. Okay, dekat sini dia dah tulis, dia dah bagi jawapan dah. Ada seed, ada young plant, germination of seed, produce flower and also produce fruit. So now what should you do? You have to give numbering to this. Okay, you have to give numbering to these stages. Okay, tulis nombor. Nombor 1 dia dah bagi dah. Number 1 is seed. Number 2 apa? Teacher dah ajar tadi. Okay, this is page 33. Buka page 33. Okay, stage number 1. I already teach you number 1, sit. Okay, number 2, apa jawapan dia? Number 2. Choose from here. What is the stages number 2? Okay, who can help me? Okay, number 1. Number 1 sit, number 2 teacher nak tanya. Okay, what is the answer for number? Yes, Amira Iza, you put up your hand. Okay, what is number 2? What is the stages for number 2? Sekejap teacher unmute awak. Okay.
Germination of seed.
Okay, very good. Number 2 is germination of seed. Okay, thank you Amira Iza. Okay, next number 3. Yes, Fahim. Darwish Fahim. Okay, nombor 3 apa? Number 1 seed, number 2 germination of seed, number
Saya
3.
ada soalan juga.
Okay.
Yang plan tapi saya ada soalan. Tapi
bagi
sebenarnya
dulu.
saya dah siap semuanya awal-awal masa hari tu.
Oh, dah siap. Okay, very good. So number 3 what?
Number 3 yang plan.
Okay, thank you. Number 3 is young plant. Okay. Yes, Darwish. Apa nak tanya?
Itu dia yang saya dah siap ni. Masa awal-awal hari.
Okay, dah siap. Okay, bagus. Siapa lagi teacher nak tanya ni? Okay, Naura Jasmine, number 4. Produce what? Okay, wait. Teacher unmute. Produce?
Produce flower.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Young plant will produce flower. And number 5 will produce fruit. Okay, now you have to write the answer in the stages below. Okay, number 2 nanti. Yes, you have to answer this question, Ryan.
Teacher, kalau saya dah siap.
Dah siap? It's okay, you just listen. Sebab most of your friend tak siap lagi. So we will do together. Yang dah siap, very good. Okay, lepas tu awak tulis jawapan dalam kotak ya. Number 1 seed, number 2 germination of seed.
Masa saya tengah buat ini, masa saya tengah buat ini, saya ada masa saya just buat ni.
Okay. Number, oops. Tak muat. Okay, number 2 is germination of seed. Tulis jawapan dalam kotak ya. Number 2, germination of seed. Okay, number 3, become young plant. Number 4, produce flower. Remember, before produce fruit, they must produce flower. Produce flower.
Muat ke?
Tak muat kan? Teacher terpaksa buat 2 lapis kat sini. Okay. You have to write properly. Jangan tiru macam teacher. And next, produce.
Betul. Kalau yang tak muat tu saya tulis bawah sebab dia tulis kecil-kecil.
Tulis kecil sikit. Tulisan teacher ni besar. Okay. So everyone done? I give you 1 minute to write the answer. Yes, Zian. Nanti awak datang sekolah 22 hari bulan 6. So 22nd July you will come to school. So we will learn together. You will learn with your teacher. Okay, make sure you complete all the exercise inside the activity book. Macam kalau teacher dah bincang ni, you have to complete. So that when you come to school, teacher can mark your book. Teacher boleh terus tanda and proceed with a new topic. Okay, done? Okay, done. Let's continue page 34. Okay, let's continue with page 34. Buka muka surat 34. Sama juga soalan dia. We have to observing the growth of an okra plant. Arrange the growth stages of okra plant correctly. Okay. As you can see, the picture of germination of seed, young plant, produce flower and also produce fruit. So you have to arrange the growth stages of okra plant here. Sama juga macam tadi, awak tulis je jawapan dekat kotak ni, box ni. Okay, who can help me to write the answer? Siapa boleh tolong teacher tulis jawapan kat sini? Amira Iza. Okay, boleh tulis jawapan kat komputer? Okay, write the answer.
Yang first ke teacher ke semua?
Jawapan. Jawapan tulis semualah.
Okay.
Okay. Tulis jawapan.
Wait.
Okay, what is the stages number 1? Okay, right. Okay, tulis dekat garisan tu. Belah kiri sikit nanti tak muat.
Ni.
Yes, start from there. Okay. Number 1, the stages for number 1 is kenapa naik atas? Ke bawah balik. Ini dah page lain dah. Di page lain ni Amira. Buka page 34.
Macam nombor 34.
Page tu dekat atas. Kita tolong. Mana dia? Ni. Ni Okay, boleh tulis jawapan.
Ada ke orang tak tidur sebab dia bekerja ke sebab dia
Boleh tak? Kalau tak boleh teacher buat Okay.
Tapi nak bagi jawapan kat teacher boleh?
Okay, boleh. Okay, now I will write the answer. Okay, Amira Iza, give me what is the stages number 1?
Seed.
Okay, seed. Okay, number 2?
Young plant.
You sure?
Yes.
Try
No.
again.
Germination.
Yes, after seed, germination of seed. Dia akan tumbuh akar dulu. Okay, after that, they will become
Young plant.
Okay, young plant. After young plant, after that, they will produce what?
Produce flower.
Okay, good. Produce flower. Remember, mesti produce flower dulu. And last kali, baru dia boleh produce
fruit.
Okay, produce fruit. So, kalau awak ada tanam pokok. Okay, thank you Amira Iza. Okay, just remember, kalau awak tanam pokok, pokok tu ada buah, sebelum tumbuh buah, mesti tumbuh bunga. Okay, write the answer on your activity book. This is the stages and the growth stages of okra plant. Okay, tak ada gunting. Tak apa Naura, jangan buat lagi. Tu nanti awak buat dengan mak awak Yang gunting tu you have to do under your parent supervision. Tak boleh buat sendiri. Yes, Fahim nak tanya apa? Mana Fahim tadi? Ya Fahim.
Saya siap juga.
Dah siap dah? Okay, you can write the answer. Seed, germination of seed. Then they will produce young plant. And then produce flower. And last kali mesti produce fruit. Okay, I hope all of you done. So that I can proceed to the next page. All of you done? Okay, let's proceed to page 35. Okay, yang ni senang je, sama macam muka surat 33. So let's proceed to page 35, 35. Okay, muka surat 35. Okay, ni adalah eksperimen. Okay, observing the basic needs of plant. Okay, dekat sini dia ada plant A and also plant B. Okay, place a plant A and B outside the classroom and water plant A every day. So eksperimen dekat sini dia ada dua jenis pokok. Dia ada pokok yang sama tapi dua keadaan yang berlainan. Okay, untuk pokok A dia hari-hari siram. So plant A, the student will give water every day. And for plant B, did not get any water. Kita tak bagi pun air. So first day macam ni. After 7 days, as you can see, selepas 7 hari, dekat pokok A ni, dia boleh tumbuh dengan subur, elok je. Ada banyak daun dia. Tapi pokok B ni dia layu, dia wilt, dia dah nak mati. Okay, pokok B macam ni. Sebab apa? Okay. Number 2, complete the table with your observation on the number of leaf after 7 days. Okay, tengok plant. Plant A ni dia give water. Plant B not watered. For first day, both plant A and plant B have 4 leaf. Pokok A dengan pokok B pada hari pertama, dua-dua ada 4 daun. So after 7 days, how many leaf at plant A? Who can give me the answer? Airil Reza. Okay, selepas 7 hari berapa daun yang ada dekat dalam pasu A tu? Ada berapa? Cuba kira.
Ada 8.
Okay, very good. Ada 8 daun. Tapi dekat pokok B tinggal berapa je daun kat situ?
1.
Bolehlah satu ataupun 2. Kalau ada lagi 1 tu awak boleh nampak. 1 ataupun 2. Yes, I can give you correct. 1 ataupun 2. Tak boleh tu macam ni. And cuci padam. 1 atau 2. Kita ambil 1 je lah. Kalau 1, 1. Kalau nak tulis 2 pun boleh. Nampak macam ada lagi 1 tu. Okay. Not watered tinggal 1. Okay. Thank you Airil. So next. Look at question number 1. Which plant grow better and why? Okay, I want to ask Megat Irfan. Okay, Megat Irfan. Okay, question number 1. Okay, which plant grow better? A ke B? Mana yang grow better?
A.
Okay, A. Kenapa plant A ni grow better?
Apa ni?
Kenapa plant A grow better? As you can see at this experiment, A they give water every day, but B not watered. So why plant A is grow better?
Sebab
Ha.
di air matahari ada.
Okay, because plant A get enough water. Plant A because get enough water. Compare
Ha.
plant B. Maksudnya kat sini plant A ni dia grow better because get enough water. Dia dapat air yang cukup kalau nak bandingkan dengan plant B. Okay, write your answer. Pokok A hari-hari siram, hari-hari dapat air. Jadi dia boleh tumbuh. Okay, write your answer. Okay, thank you Megat. Megat tulis jawapan.
Okey, okey.
Okay, write the answer on your activity book.
Tak payahlah, Haikal.
Open page 35, 35. Okay, done? Done. Can we proceed to question number 2? Ada yang tengah tulis lagi. Tulis cepat. Plant A grow better because plant A get enough water compared to plant B. Okay, sikit lagi. We have to finish until page 36. Kita kena habiskan sampai 36. So that next week kita boleh, next class kita boleh buat activity book on unit 6. Okay, next question number 2. Okay. Kita proceed question number 2. Okay, complete the statement below. Okay, what is the basic needs of plant? Okay, remember water, air and sunlight. Okay, you can write here water, air and sunlight are the basic needs of plant's growth. Okay, write your answer. Okay, if you write the answer. Belum siap muka surat 35. Okay, cepat. Okay, ada yang tertinggal. Teacher laju sangat Okay, plan A because get enough water. Water. Alamak, tu huruf besar pula. Tak apalah, awak tulis huruf kecil eh. Okay, dan copy the answer. My Little Panda ni siapa? Get enough water compared to plan A. Okay, teacher write ada yang tertinggal. Okay, tak apa. Teacher tulis lagi sekali 8. Sini 1. Get enough water compared to plan B. To plan B. Okay, done. If you done, you can write on chat group. You said that you done. If 5 students said done, so that I will proceed to page 36. If you done, you can write there done. Kia Miraiza done. Ryan also done. Okay, good. Teacher tunggu sampai 5 orang. 5 orang tulis done. Then teacher proceed to the next page. Okay, Iman Farisha done. Okay, Darwish Fahim done. Okay, Naura Jasmine done. Okay. So now I will proceed to the last page, 36. Okay, teacher proceed to the last page for today. Okay, this one you have to complete the sentence here. Okay, the cucumber seed will germinate if it's removed from the plastic bag because seeds need, okay, kalau kita keluarkan seed daripada plastic bag, dia akan grow sebab apa? Seeds need, okay, air, udara ya, oksigen. Seed also needs, awak nampak gambar tu awak dah tahu dah jawapan dia apa. Dia siram maksudnya seeds need water and also suitable, ni adalah temperature. Temperature to germinate. Okay, this picture will show you the answer. Okay, bila kita remove the seed from the plastic bag, so the seed can grow because they get enough air. Then seed also want to grow, they must need water and also suitable temperature. Okay, next. After it germinate, the young plant needs air. Lepas tu awak complete je. Water and sunlight. Ada gambar matahari, sunlight to grow. And the young cucumber plant also need, okay, last sekali, fertilizer. Dekat botol tu dia dah tulis fertilizer. Awak ambil je balik tulisan dia, fertilizer. Fertilizer ni baja, dia will give enough nutrient to the plant. So this is the answer for the exercise page 36. After it germinates, the young cucumber plants need air, water, sunlight for growth, and a young cucumber plant also need fertilizer. Okay, oh Darwish Fahim done, very good. Amira Iza done. Okay. Okay, tulis sunlight. Cahaya matahari. Okay, Ima Farisha also done. Very good. Ryan done. Muaz Jazli done. Okay, good. Okay, yang dah siap. Okay, Fanani done. Okay, I hope you can remember the lesson that we have learned today. You have learned about the stages of plant growth. Remember, there are 5 stages of plant growth. Yang pertama tadi seed. Lepas seed, they will become germination of seed. Lepas germination of seed, dia akan keluar young plant. Lepas tu dia akan produce flower and last sekali dia akan produce fruit. Remember, mesti keluar bunga dulu baru keluar flower. Dia akan baru keluar buah. Kalau tak percaya, awak kalau keluar nanti you can see pokok yang berbuah, sebelum buah tu keluar dia akan keluar bunga. Contohnya pokok mango, pokok rambutan, pokok buah-buah tu dia akan tumbuh bunga dulu. Tapi ada juga yang berbunga sahaja, dia tak berbuah. Maksudnya itu adalah pokok bunga, bukan pokok buah. Kalau bunga sampai bunga je, tak ada buah. Okay, I hope all of you can understand the lesson for today. So I think all of you done. Most of you have right here done. Okay, Hafizul Ghaffar also done. So I will stop share here. Okay, everyone understand today lesson? Show me thumbs up kalau faham. Okay, good. Boleh ingat 5 stages of plant growth? Boleh ingat? Ada 5 stage of plant growth. Boleh ingat there are 4 things why plants are important. Ada 4 benda kenapa pokok ni penting. Boleh ingat? Can you remember? Okay. Can you remember the basic need of plant? Okay, mesti ada oksigen ataupun air, mesti ada sunlight, mesti ada suitable temperature. Okay, so you have to remember the basic need of plant. You must remember why plant is very important. And lastly, the stages of plant growth. Okay, that's all for today. I hope all of you can remember and understand the lesson for today. Okay, before we end our lesson, let's recite Tasbih Kifara and Surah Wal-As.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal as innal insana lafi khusr illa amanu wa amilus salihati wa tawasaw bis sabr. Amin. Bye.
Okay, that's all for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Bye,
teacher.
Okay,
Kita
bye.
Bye.
Okay, teacher will end this meeting.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.